Welcome everyone, good morning, great to see you guys. Hey, welcome chat. How you doing everyone? Great to see you on a happy Tuesday. Great to see you. Let me just share the video with all the community members in all the trading groups. Let's go guys, invite your friends, let your traders, your community know about it. It's gonna be nice. Let's go. $75,000 giveaway today and some massive accounts to be traded. Exciting times. Good morning. Welcome everyone. Great to see you. Let's see what does the market wants to do today. I'm feeling great. I've been swimming today, doing my sports in the morning. And then getting ready for the market, studying the market, studying economy. And of course, taking care about the crypto space as well. Good morning everyone, good to see you guys. Make sure to like the video. Come on, let's bring in those likes. Let's bring in that volume. Thank you guys for joining, appreciate it. Hey, 75 grand on giveaway. Definitely not to underestimate. Temporary daily rejection. Daily opening rejection on Nasdaq. It's interesting how we have pumped yesterday. Very interesting from the 200 EMA on the 15 minutes. Look at that one. We managed to do 200 points. Now this is what we're trading. We're trading above the downtrending channel we had. It's just that we got resistance pressure right now confirmed by the daily opening. Exactly. Diet, exercise, reading, and enjoying. Welcome Tim. Good morning Martin. How's it going? Welcome. Not yet. I have not got it in my rise yet. But it's coming in. I've asked them today and it's on the way. Although I'm not concerned about it. It's gonna come. Looking forward, continuing with our Ticktick trader that I want to take to payout. We've got our account here sitting with points. We've got 8 points accumulated. Still need 2 more. And we would actually go for the payout. So that's something. We have $4,600 drawdown. And we're trading this on 5 accounts copy traded. So I think this is a very good opportunity here. Good morning. Welcome everyone. Hey, great to see you guys. Hope you have a beautiful day, a very productive one, without unexpected difficulties. You know, those are the ones we're actually getting bothered about, the unexpected difficulties, or basically the unexpected side of life. If it's unexpectable, if it's not predictable, why are we getting bothered? Why are we getting stressed on these things if they're not touchable? Hit the like button, everyone. Take it to the ground. Bring it down. Come on. I'm not shorting it yet. I'm just saying. Because this can nicely go up, right? This can nicely touch the daily opening. Looks like we didn't touch the daily opening, and I don't think we don't touch it.
Order filled.
We haven't touched the daily opening. Look at that, guys.
Order filled.
I'm expecting some buying pressure located around the 25. If my 29 impulse movement, we had a nice green candle right there.
Order filled. Order filled.
Come on, let's collect that point. Time for some bullish pressure on this candle. Time to bring it above 27. Let's see. We were very, very close to the daily opening. It has not been touched. This is very interesting. You know, if this is continuing, we're gonna... Yeah, I'm just expecting a bounce here. I've been expecting the bounce from earlier stages, right? I've been looking for a bull trap here. And then market's coming down. Haven't got it. Have not got it yet. If we don't get to reverse here, we're gonna get stopped out. This is looking pretty good. After a such price action on the 5-minute, you don't reverse and crash without setting up a trap. And a trap cannot appear if the market is not going above 32, guys. So this is the point. It has to go above that for the trap to be efficient. That's where we have a bunch of stop losses, including for the shorts right above. So that liquidity I'm expecting to be grabbed, and my take profit is going through that. Let's see, guys. There is not much to go. 5-minute looks good so far. Come on. Keep printing. Gold ripping again. BTC is trying to following the structure. Yet the ones that are suffering are basically the altcoins. Let's go just a little higher. This is the candle I need to the upside. It's a candle that I definitely need to be green. If this is getting rejected again on the 30s, I'm gonna be out. I think we also had a 1-minute breakout here. We had this breakout here on the 1-minute, even though it's not really that consistent. Great job for you making money by shorting the markets on the 30s. So if this is sliding, I am out. In other words, I'm happy to take a loss if it's needed because my entry is a little high, so I'm concerned about, guys.
Order filled.
I've sold 5 contracts and accepted $400 loss and increasing my target a little higher. So I'm going for the liquidity gap above 32. Right into those candlesticks. Looks like the previous target. Welcome. Good morning, guys. The 5 minutes we have here is promising, so the next one could build. Which is why I'm not scared. "30 seconds to go for this one. Make sure to like the video. We've got the giveaways coming out. You gotta like the video, join my Discord, and be part of our community. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. How does the 5 minute looks like? Pretty long wick. 3 seconds, 2 seconds to go. We just closed on. We actually closed below 25. Not touching this one yet. Good morning, welcome everyone. Join our Discord community where we are constructing a nice environment for people to be able to perform. Adding a little more to this. I don't even need that much for the target. 6 points needed from here, guys. I mean, like I said, that's a nice bull trap on the micro on the 33. Yeah. I'm not sure if Powell speaks today. I don't know about that one. Didn't check. You guys want to verify if Powell speaks today. Let's go, guys. Come on. Just a little higher. I'm not... Come on. You just don't want to reverse from there. Look at that, guys. What the... Stop loss on my entry. What's happening here, guys? Come on.
Order filled.
Oh, there you go. Finally. Beautiful. We made it above $500, what we needed. Therefore, we got the point number 9. One more point is needed. And we're taking the payout on 5 accounts. Let's go, guys. Come on. Boom. Boom. Hey, that's beautiful. Look at that one, guys. Again, above 105. Again, sitting comfortable. Let's go, guys. One more point is needed. We've got 9 points, so point number 10, which means I gotta do $500 without losing 5,000. And this is copy traded on 5 accounts. That's the ratio. Earn $500 without losing 5,000. I get that $500. I'm requesting the payout on 5 accounts. I'm requesting 5 times $2,000. I'm requesting $10,000. And I'm going for the second cycle with Ticktick Trader. This is Ticktick Trader that I'm trading, guys. Their new system with points. One more good trade, one more good day, and we are bringing the money. Plus, something very exciting is we're moving about $4,000 out of what I cash out is going to be in the live wallet. So just 6,000 will be needed more, and we are going to live trading with that. And live trading is amazing on Ticktick Trader. For example, if I would have this account on live trading on the 17th of July, you see that, where we have 4,580. On that day, I could have cashed out the entire amount. Right? So you can cash out even multiple times a day. You can request as many times as you want during a day payouts on live. When you're live, you have no consistency. Even now, with their new system, there is no consistency rule. I think this is very comfortable. Trading without consistency looks like to be, very comfortable for me. We pushed all the way to the 41. We pushed basically into that damn daily opening. I've told you. I told you they left a gap right there with the wick, brought it back, and the whole thing went to the target. That's exactly what we've talked about earlier. In 6 days, right? So 6 more days basically. And their massive promotion, their biggest promotion for Ticktick Trader. Here's the link, guys, for those of you that would like to check out their accounts. Especially, there is a video that I have made about it. It's a review video for their system, but keep in mind it has been an update for the Straight to Funded Plus accounts. You can no longer lose points when you have a minus day. So when you have a day in a loss, that will not generate a loss of a point as well. It's just, a loss of the dollar value. But that no longer generates a loss of the points. So you can only accumulate points, that being said. You cannot lose points, no matter what. 6 more days and 10 hours, basically, for the highest discount available. 65% or even 70% with Skrill, which is amazing. 10 accounts that are coming out at $240 per account. That's great. You only have to do 10 points, which means you have to do 0.5% per day, 5% totally. 0.5% per day. Like I said, I think that's comfortable. And you can see the stats. I have not paid. I have that add-on, which is why I have the $1,500 losses in my accounts are generated by the daily loss soft breach, which is the 1,500, right? I have not paid for the add-on. This one helped me, to be honest with you. It helped me. Right, so for me, this was great. This limit of 1,500, it was great. And I'm thinking about it's great for you as well. Let me tell you why, guys. Let me tell you why you do not need to eliminate that, and on top of that, also pay for it. You got to keep in mind that even the add-on is discounted. Right, by utilizing my code Scrambo at the checkout, the add-on is not $149. It's going to be discounted based on the bundles you're buying. But the idea of the 1,500 is the fact that it keeps your account alive, so it allows you not to get tilted, not to get emotional, angry, frustrated, and revenge even more and more and push during the same day. You had a loss 1,500, that's it. Why is it just like that? Well, there's no consistency, guys, and that 1,500 can be recovered tomorrow. You can actually make more tomorrow. Look at that. I had, last week, we had Monday. We started with a loss. But then the next day, I didn't stop that 500. I've made 1,500, right? So, as you can see, you can push higher if you don't have consistency. The next day, I had 1,500 daily loss limit touched again. But then the next day we made 4,580. So that's very important. No consistency is compensating for this max loss at 1,500. Because when you have a great day, let your trades run and make a lot more. And as you can see, during the whole cycle, think about this one, guys. During the whole cycle, only twice I made more than the limit. The limit is 500. But only twice I made more than the limit. Is on the 15th, 1,500, and then on the 17th. So it's not really needed to push that much on, the majority of the days. No, the majority of the days are stopping at the limit and that's it. Yet when you get an opportunity, go for it. Because that's what's going to take your accounts to bullets of daily losses. This daily loss limit can be touched unlimited times as long as you have money. So I'll have at least 105 700s, right? That's what I'm going to have at the payout. 105 700s. I'll make $500 tomorrow as well. And that's what I'm going to have. Which means we cash out $2,000. $2,000 is the maximum withdrawal. You want to check out the video I posted about them. on my YouTube channel about Ticktick Trader Straight to Funded Plus review, the last video. $2,000 is the maximum cash out. However, there is a split system in that, and you have to see the video. But what do I mean is, if I have 105, 600, 700, that's what we're going to have. We're going to take out 2,000. I'm going to remain with 103, 600. So I'll have a drawdown of $3,600, and I have to do $500 for 7 days. That's good, guys. I think the market is dropping here. I'm moving to my
order filled.
Tap on futures account. I think the markets are coming all the way back into 21.
Order filled.
The wallet you have basically for live is for your account as a trader. It remains there, and with the new accounts you're buying, accumulates within the same wallet. So you only have a single wallet for the live. And that single wallet is connected to all your sim funded, current and future ones. So if you lose the account, you don't lose the resources in the live wallet. They're just getting more and more accumulating. That's the great part. On top of that, if you have 5 accounts or 10 accounts and you get to the payout, your sim funded accounts will get paused. They're not going to be eliminated, they're not going to be erased, they're not going to be deleted. Your sim funded accounts, when you're moved to live, will get paused. If you lose your live, you get back to the same old sim fund that you had and resume trading from there, which is also beautiful. Now, of course, the first steps are harder until you construct that live wallet. Because 40% of each payout is moved into your live wallet. 40%. I don't like these rejections here on the 1 minute, but as long as it keeps pushing and I'm not seeing the bulls stepping in with more volume, I'm fine with this. Come on, take it down here. Without any mercy. Right, the difficult part is, of course, is to collect that threshold $10,000 for live. And if you have multiple accounts, that it's not even that difficult. Because if you're dealing with 5 or 10 accounts, that you don't need that many payouts. If you do the math, you actually do not need crazy amount of payouts. Assuming that the maximum you can transfer at a time is 800, you divide 10,000 to 800. From each payout you're requesting, 800 is moved to your live. If you're doing copy trading and you're requesting from 5 accounts or 10 accounts or 7 or whatever, then you multiply that. I don't like this price section here. This can go higher, guys. I don't like this.
Order filled.
I'm cutting it away. I'll accept the loss for the moment. Not an issue. We have $6,000 drawdown. So let's get back to the math. $800. We got to divide 10,000 to 800. And we see how many accounts do we have to bring to payout. 12.5. The maximum in one round is 10. So if you have, let's say, 5 accounts, with 2 payouts, you're already having 10. 2.5 more is needed. I mean, think about it like that. Even if you work for 2 months to bring your wallet, or 3 months to bring your wallet to live, when you're on live, you have no consistency, no limits. You can do whatever you want with that 10,000. That's good, Bahadin. That's good.
Order filled.
What's happening with Powell? Is he going to resign? Yeah, will force you to take a massive loss for sure. And there's always an opportunity next day to come back stronger and resume.
Order filled.
What's happening with Powell? Let me ask you, is he going to resign? Is he writing the letter? What do you think is going to happen with the markets if that happens? Are we going to see the space tanking as an initial reaction? Make sure to like the video, guys. In order to participate in the giveaway, like the video, be subscribed and join the Discord. Bring it down. This price action structure is bearish. You just have to press the pedal here and close below the 30s. Come on. He has to go. You know, as you can see, he's not going. He has to go, but he's not going. He's still having quite a few months until the term is ending, right? He's under the contract right now. He's having fun, even though the pressure is there. You see, he's not giving up. Very interesting. Are they going to give us another bullish reaction from here for the third time? We're not breaking this. I don't like that. And I don't want to see that, guys. I don't believe this triple bottom.
Order filled.
Bring it down. He has to go, but he's not going. As we can see, for the moment. Let's see what's happening on the Fed Watch tool. Make sure to like the video, guys. Be subscribed, join Discord. Coupon code SCREMBO. 95% we're not going to see any rate cuts in 30th of July, which is happening next week, Thursday. But then for 17th of September, %58% there is going to be a rate cut. 56 for 25 basis points, and then 2.6 for even more. Let's go, guys. Come on. Bring it down. I think it's going to be bullish today after the New York session. I mean, during the New York session. Gold is going wild. Probably. You know, it's interesting to see the stock market going up along with gold. It's interesting to see them both, even BTC. Everything's going to all-time high. $322 on my target, 2,400. We have 12 minis. Stop loss on my entry. If we get any fat finger, you don't want to be wiped out. Come on, bring it down. We need that target. That's going to be a nice payout. A nice paycheck.
Order
I've
filled.
sold 5 contracts. You know, I needed that. We had $700 loss. Good morning. Hey, Adrian Lorenzo. Great to hear you. Great to see you. I'm
Order
out
filled.
here. 351. I'm happy with that. We've been down $700, so we made 1,000 in this trade. BTC is also climbing. If we look into the 4 hours, let me share with you guys. BTC is about to break out. Actually, the current candlestick is going to complete the breakout. The current 4-hour candlestick. This is interesting. Let me tell you guys, in the upcoming 2 weeks, we're going to see another all-time high on Bitcoin, very likely, which means above 123. Today we have seen the altcoins dumping. What's happening with the DXI? The XI is going to trade today below the daily opening, possibly resuming the downtrend here. Is my expectation. You know, the 4-hour candlestick we've got on Nasdaq is literally strong and showing the same pattern as we had it before. Nothing has changed here. But you gotta prepare, guys, for some strong retracements. You gotta be ready for some strong retracements. The price action, basically. Right, we've been hitting the daily opening with an impulse movement after we pretty much left a gap. So we brought it up artificially, in other words. After bringing it up artificially, the selling pressure stepped in quickly, which is a confirmation of the bear's presence and dominance for the short term here. Then, what do I do next? Is I look into the 1 minute. And the 1 minute, I've been seeing basically rejection here. I've stepped into, got into a short, and I exited right there on that candlestick, which is looking like a hammer. That was my judgment. I don't know about that one. All the companies will pause you. But there's one thing you can know about Martin is Ticktick Trader is pausing you. That's right. But you're able to transfer funds from your SIM funded, which are paused. You're able to transfer funds from there into your live. You can open your own brokerage account too, but again, this Ticktick Trader formula they are having is very interesting because they're allowing you to transfer. You have to apply for a procedure. There is a way of transferring. There are some rules of transferring. You follow that, and you can move resources from your SIM funded, which will get paused, but the good part is you can move funds from there. What do I think right now? Right now, I am undecided in a nutshell. Undecided. Certainly undecided. We're in the middle of nowhere. This is the place with the resistance, with the selling pressure. This is the place with the buying pressure. So I'm in the middle of nowhere right now. I am undecided where the market is going. I don't know, which is why I'm not in a trade. Otherwise, I would be in a trade. You know, I cannot short this. I cannot long this. And especially, I'm not going to long and short when I have full body candlesticks in a row. Avoid longing on shorting trading when you have full body candlesticks in a row. It's one thing when appears one candlestick like that, but when you have in a row next to each other, it's a problem. I'm not dealing with those. Hey, great to see you, Matt. Great to see you, everyone. Dropping consistency is interesting as a concept. And people should be happy about it, right? So people should be happy about a consistency representation. I remember when consistency was... Welcome, buddy. I remember when consistency was introduced in terms of 20%. Because on challenges, people got used to 30 or 40. And then we had the instant funding. So instant funding put it down to 20%. A lot of the people got frustrated on 20% consistency. Today, no one cares about it, right? It's pretty much digested or welcomed. Interiorized. Back in the day, it wasn't. But now we get a company eliminating it. So that should bring in some enthusiasm. Pretty happy we've got point number 9. And another thing, on Ticktick Trader you can do microscoping. You can do DCA, you can do news trading, you can do whatever you want. Just make money. That's all. Just make some money. $15, the chart and the price section on the 15 minute, this candlestick we have here is not closed yet. But if this is closing nicely bullish like this, it's fine. If it's getting denied and rejected within the upcoming 6 minutes, it's a problem. So again, we're somewhere in between for the 15-minute prediction. 1 minute has momentum, that's right, but the 15 minute is different. $30-minute candlestick as well. It's very strong. 1 hour looks great. Looks like today we're going to trade most of the day above the daily volume with an average price, which is the VWAP. That's what it looks like. I have to wait a little more and find it out. HTF is bullish. That's right. 4 hours is looking great. I mean, if it would be a swing trade, then obviously this is a long. Look at a crazy gold. On low time frame, we can do this, and the reason for that is we are actually in between two strong pivot points for intraday, the daily opening and a conjunction between the 200 EMA and the daily VWAP. They are too close to each other, so they're doing zigzag in between, which obviously
wipes people out. There's people that have longed right there, hoping for a breakout of the daily opening with that candlestick on the 5-minute. They just reversed the whole thing almost back to the starting point of the 5-minute. Right, so when it looks so bullish, that's when it becomes totally, on intraday short term, the opposite direction. Very interesting. That's why trading is a little more complicated than this. Look at this account, guys, and on tap on futures, nothing to complain. I want to make a little more, but we're looking nice, right? We have $157,000 here. We're looking good. This are end of the day accounts, end of the day drawdown. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on. Let's bring up the volume. We could get a long opportunity here.
Order filled.
Stop loss right below. I only trade during the stream.
Order filled.
We might be too tight on this trade. I'm gonna leave some room.
Order filled.
In case the market wants to do this.
Order filled.
6 contracts with DC8.
Order filled.
8 contracts. If it's lacking pressure here, I'm gonna be out. If this is lacking sufficient strength, I'm out. You know, I've sold 4
filled.
contracts.
Nah, this is
Order
not
filled.
looking good. I'm out. My God. Pushing it back. Welcome, Anton. Welcome. Hey. We got point number 9 on Ticktick Trader. One more point is needed on 5 accounts. And we're going for the payout. We've been copy trading this 5 accounts, so it's looking absolutely lovely. One more point needed. Yeah. Thank you guys. So 5,000 drawdown with 1 point. Look at that. This would have gone for the target. My long right there would have printed. I saw the price section. I saw it, guys. It's just they scared me away with that 1 minute rejection. They scared me away. We had it over there. And I did not wait it for the closing of the candlestick, which is, you know, an important rule. You gotta wait for the closing of the candlestick, which is no longer changeable. On Ticktick Trader, there is no 5 seconds rule. You can close your trades whenever you want. Oh, how much is the 5 account on Ticktick Trader? $1,400. 5 accounts, $1,400. $280 per account. If I would have had a lower size, exactly, I would have been more confident about it. It was all down to the size. With such sizes, I need a different formula. I don't need those rejections on those big sizes. They're not friendly for my strategy. So if I get that, I have to be out. That's the way I trade. But it's not an issue. Of course, on the long run, these things are exceptions. Welcome. You know, we touched again the daily opening, and this thing could actually reject us again. We could stay below the daily opening until the New York session comes in. Let us not be surprised about it. Which means I'm testing out a short here because of that. Because of that, I'm testing out a short here.
Order filled.
5 contracts short, look at that. All the way down to the 27, right before the opening. Come on. Adding more to this, we're sitting on 7 contracts. I'll take that $1,400 right there. Come on. You know, if this candle closes nice like this, I can handle this properly. Bring this one down below 34. I need this one to be below 34, guys. Come on. So I can go break even. Seven minis. Short. Looks like we're not getting that 34.
No. I'm gonna get out of this soon. We slightly broke above the whole thing. We've been getting rejected over there. And then you bring the price action back here if you want to do a miserable trap. Otherwise, you just skyrocket.
Order filled.
Let's see, guys. I've DCA'd. Let's see if I've risked correctly. We're gonna find it out. Relax, buddy. You gotta relax. If I'm relaxed, then you don't have to worry. That's a promising candlestick. The next two candlesticks will make the difference here with my target, or simply I'm gonna get out of this. The next two candlesticks. So the next 2 minutes. Look at that, guys. I've told you. I've told you. So I'd like to see this one confirming, delivering, continuing. We've started our job. We've started it here. Come on. I'm not going to DCA more, but I could. Yeah, we have 10 minutes, but I could basically go for 12 or 13 right here at this green candle right now. I could, guys. Come on. If it's bearish, then it has to be bearish from here. Let's see. You know, I have a nice invalidation point. With a current candle, I can put stop loss above, and that's it. It's a clear invalidation point of a short there. Would have been nice to DCA, right? Would have been nice to add a little more. Let's fucking go. Come on. Told you about the next 2 minutes. This is the second minute out of that. Stop loss is going to be on my entry. Are we going to my target? What do you guys think? Come on. Keep pressing. I'm not scared yet. I don't like to see aggressive rejection here, guys. Because I have to partially exit if that happens. Look at that. No. It's risky, right? It's risky right now. I could do a partial exit or still hold this one. Or pretty much accept $1,000 profit and that's it. But I'm not closing it. I'm just gonna trail. I have to trail this one, guys. I sold 3 contracts. And I'm fully exiting there. You know, we've made money. Very important. But this was beautiful, right? This
micro support here rejected my structure instead of falling slightly below where I had my take profit there. Yeah, 700 is good. Especially we're just $1,500 away from the payout. You know, I could reshort this from higher levels and make money, but I'm not gonna reshort it here because right now things can actually explode to the upside. They could actually explode right now. I don't know, we would have been stopped out here. We would have been stopped out here already. Look at that. We would have been stopped out on break even here, so we would have not made that $500 extra. Powell is speaking, so at the end, he might put down the resign document. What do you guys think about? Is he going to resign in July? What if he resigns on 30th of July on the FOMC speaking conference? The white chart is on 5 minutes. What if he resigns in July? His last sentence on the FOMC press conference is going to be, you guys know it's been a difficult time. You guys been seeing the pressure. I'm leaving. Good luck, everyone. We're going to see 700 points volatility in 5 minutes. The ones knowing about this will enjoy. They're going to nicely scalp. We're going to see BTC going $10,000 in 5 minutes. He wants to see numbers, right? Good morning, Fernandez. Good to see you, everyone. Great. He wants to see numbers. He wants to see all-time high. 5 minute on the white chart on TradingView along with the 1 minute is the combination I use for the time frames on my entries. That's the way I know the form of candlesticks are reliable for day trading and for intraday. So this is what's working for me best in terms of productivity and how reliable it is. 5 minute in combination with the 1 minute comes down to the execution that I have. $15 minute is an important mark as well. We just closed it. There's 15 minutes to go for the New York session. If they want to be bullish today, we're going for that fair value gap here. We're going for that. 400s. That's going to be my question for you, chat. I'm going to do a poll. We have a fair value gap on 400s for the 15 minute. Think about it. So, are we going to touch 23 400s today? Let me know what you guys think about. I've started a pool. 23 400s today, going for that fair value gap of 15 minutes. What do you guys think about?
you see basically without exiting at the right time, which was here, our stop loss would have been touched on break even, or if we would have left the stop loss on the old level, we would have ended up in a loss. Let me know what you guys think about the 23,400s today. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord, especially to participate in $75,000 giveaways. That's the Discord link, everyone. So CMA Fed Watch Tool, 41% basically for the rate cut. For the pause, sorry guys, for the pause. In 17th of September. It has been mentioned there is going to be 2 rate cuts. The question is, will it start on September or will it start on 29th of October? That's the only question for the moment. We had 41% earlier, now we have 40%. And Powell is speaking. And we've got almost 60% for a rate cut. I don't know what to say about this one on September, honestly. I think there is a long way to go for that. And it's quite unpredictable if he is still going to have that job. If he's still going to be the chairman. Very unpredictable, guys, because all these things do not matter at all in the current context. Knowing that, you know, if he wants to resign, then he's going to do it, right? Which means that all these things, even the one for July, if he resigns tomorrow, the one for July is not going to be 97. It's going to be 100% rate cuts for the new chairman. 100%. And maybe not even the 25 basis points. Maybe we're going to get 50 or 100 basis points, right? So the markets will react to the upside possibly. After things will relax, of course, based on the news and stuff like that. Markets at some point will get some momentum, but then I think there's going to be a strong retracement. Yeah, the whole trend is going to resume to the upside, you know, going for that gold close to the 4,000s, BTC as well. If we have rate cuts, the crypto market is going to explode. This is an interesting point here for
Order filled.
oh, look at the spread. What happened, guys, here? Look at that. My entry is at a place where there is no candlestick or wick. Look at that, guys. What's this? We just got into a short here. The candlestick was around 38 at the time I pushed. Wow.
Order filled.
Take it down into 27. You know, slippage, but that's a massive one. They are going to be on minus. He's going to set the interest rates on minus. Volatility has increased.
Order filled.
Bring it down. So we had a slippage of 2 points here. That's crazy.
Order filled.
Let's go, guys. 6 points for my target. Definitely doable. This is not really desiring. I'm getting ready to cut my position. Eight minutes to go for the New York opening. Come on. Added
Order
more to
filled.
this. Four points needed, guys, for me. We're sitting on 13 contracts. We've been DCing nicely. Yeah, this might be the end for the shorts here. Without seeing this candlestick going lower. With a such long rejection, with a such long wick, I don't like it. So I need to see this 10 seconds to go. Depends how does it closes. Right? Come on. Send it down. 2 points needed. You know, I'll have to put my stop loss on my entry. We've got 13 contracts there. Keep going down.
Order filled.
Beautiful. We touched the target, 1,785. And we are just $500 away from the payout on 3 accounts for the top 1 futures. Look at that one, guys. Look at this one. Absolutely lovely. Let's go. Boom. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. So just $500 needed. We have 5 days to achieve that. We have 5 days to make $500, and we have $8,400 drawdown maximum loss, which is based on end of the day drawdown. Crazy. Look at that, guys. We got out. What made me think? This wicks. That's what made me think. The wicks we had basically on those red candlesticks that were equal in size, just as the body of the candlestick. So we've been seeing a slow bleeding. And you know when that slow bleeding starts, it just requires basically some liquidity. That liquidity is pretty much here. We have seen that earlier. That's exactly where we got into, and then we've reversed. So the exit as well is at a perfect time. Slow bleeding back into the liquidity. Boom, reversing. 5 minutes to go. Thank you, guys. And this is aiming for a breakout on the 15 minutes above the daily opening. Make sure to like the video and get ready for the giveaways. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it.
That's the moment I've been convinced about the shorting pressure dominance based on the way the candlesticks are looking. We're sitting near the daily opening spot where the selling pressure is always welcome. Especially for this 1 minute kind of a thing. It's always welcome. Great job. 66% of people consider we're going to 23,400s today. I do consider the same. I think that's the likely scenario. Whoa. Volatility is going to be aggressive, guys. Expected. Powell is speaking and the pressure is high. We're seeing New York opening in 2 minutes. I'm going to trade some... look at that. Not this one. Not this one. You know, this one. I'm going to do some scalping. You guys ready for the breakout here? What do you guys think about? We're starting the giveaway soon. Giveaway starts soon, guys. Do not leave. Giveaway starts in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, we're starting the giveaway. Good evening. 20 seconds to go, the market opens. Let's go. Let's go with the opening bell. There you go. Come on. We're seeing a double top here. If the pressure is significant, this can come down all the way into the daily VWAP 320s. Right? This can slide into 320s. Daily volume weighted average price right there. Or even lower, of course, 293. 200 EMA line. Hey, what's up, guys? Gold is flying. The balances are flying as well, just like gold. Good morning. Welcome, guys. This is the place with the volume weighted average price. 320s. Look at that 5-minute candle.
Order filled. Order filled.
Testing out some scalping here. Hoping the market really rejects, otherwise I'm going to be out.
Order filled. Order filled.
This is where we have the 200 EMA.
Order filled. Order filled.
We don't have drawdown left in this account. This is traded alone. This account has been here for a while. Couldn't do anything with it. It's gonna die.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let me just...
Order filled.
I've sold 4 contracts basically. I don't like that sizing with the current volatility, so I'm fine. Let me see the markets sending this all the way back to the top. 330s, look at that.
Order filled.
Added more to this. Let's see if we get a V-shaped recovery. On the 15 minute, we would have a purpose to do that. Pullback needed for longs to make money in a good trade from the lows. Come on. That's an interesting entry. If this is promising going for a V-shaped recovery, I'm right here. I can monetize that. What a silly rejection, guys. 15 points denied. You know, if this rejected once again, it's clear that gotta be out. It's a beautiful push. This just has to go higher. Let's go, come on. Stop loss on my entry. Beautiful $2,000 profit there. Keep going. You know, I'm gonna make 5,000 here, then I'll have to do 5,000 daily for the cash out. I mess up my consistency on this account, but otherwise I'm not gonna be able to save it right. It's very, very close to the max loss limit, and I need a couple of days of very good trading. What happened here, guys, once again? Pretty risky right now. With my stop loss so close, I'm gonna put it down here. No. I'm gonna put it back.
And I'll rebuy lower if it goes there. Well, this is very likely we're going to get stopped out, right? We've been lucky. 2 points away. You see, this is pushing for the third time, guys. The first got totally rejected. The second one also has a longer wick than the body of the candle. And for the third time, basically, the wick moved below the candle. Look at that. Right, so finally the wick moved below the body of the candle. In both situations, prior to that, we had the wick above. As soon as I finish with this trade, I'm gonna start a giveaway. As soon as I finish with this one. You know, I can close it out here and that's it, right? But I'd like to hit something huge. You know, if this is getting rejected, I should be out. I'm gonna trail right below. 790 profit is gonna be in the worst case scenario. I'm trailing right below this candle. Let's go, guys. Come on, open up the doors. Open up the doors. We are trailing right there. Let's see how we break above 310 first. Let's see a powerful candle here. The next one needs to be really powerful. The next one should go above 320s. Come on.
Order filled.
I've sold 3 contracts. And I'm trailing. Trailing, sold 3 contracts.
Order filled.
It has been touched, but we're fine, guys. We were down. And we're up right now, 1,575. Beautiful, guys. We brought the account $4,000 away from the max loss. Let's go, guys. Beautiful. Let's go. Boom. What a lovely time. Are you guys ready? We're starting the giveaway. We are starting the giveaway. Come on. For those of you that need links, once again, Ticktick Trader maximum discount, Scramble coupon code, and Tap on Futures maximum discount as well with coupon code. Let's go, everyone. So, you have to respect the rules. How to participate. Number 1 thing in order to participate, like the video. Number 2, be subscribed to my channel. Turn on the notification bell. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time, doing giveaways daily. For example, today we have 2 giveaways. Join Discord as well. The Discord link is right there.
we got 2 giveaways. Keep that in mind. So only one guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Do not guess from multiple accounts. You're going to get banned. Very simple, straightforward. Let's get ready, guys. Good luck, everyone. Start. Once you see the end message, it's over. There you go, it's over. Once you see the end message is over, do not write below that. It's over. Do not write below the end message. Good luck, chat. I'm going to shuffle. And we're getting ready. Is that going to be a red number 4? What do you guys think about that red number 4? And here we got the winner, red number 4. Beautiful. Congratulations for the winners. We're doing for duck race. 53 winners, that's a lot. That's a lot of the people on board. You guys are going to compete for a minute. Here we are. We're set. Go. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, guys. Thank you. You got the second giveaway. You got the second giveaway opportunity. "15 seconds. Who's going to pick up? There's going to be a surprise here. Someone is going to come from behind. 5 seconds to go. And we have Gloucester. Number 37 is the winner today. Congratulations. Beautiful. We are starting the second giveaway. You have to participate. Like the video, be subscribed to my channel, and join Discord. Congratulations for the winner. Great job. Beautiful. So once again, for those of you that have joined late, like the video, be subscribed, join Discord. These are the conditions to participate. And then you just have to guess the number at the time I'm telling you to start. That's all you got to do. Get ready, guys. Get ready, everyone. Nasdaq trading on 250s. Let's go. Start.
Wow. This is what happens when Powell speaks. And that's the end message right there. That's the end message right there, everyone. Do not write below that. We are ready to get started with the second giveaway. First giveaway, first prop firm from the title. Second giveaway, second prop firm from the title. First giveaway, $25,000 Tap 1 futures instant funded. Second giveaway, $50,000 Ticktick trader straight to funded plus. Good luck, everyone. Is that gonna be a number 4 green? Yeah, number 4 green. I think that's where we stop. There you go. Number 4 green is the winner. Last time was the number 4 on red. Today we had it on number 4. Back and forth. 26 winners. That's where we are, which are going to compete for 2 minutes and 30 seconds, guys. 26 winners competing for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Let me shuffle your characters a couple of times and get ready. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Congratulations. This is a $50,000 account. Straight to funded plus Ticktick trader. Winners gotta reach out to me on Discord. Nasdaq on 215. What's going on? Let's go. Keep in mind we'll resume streaming tomorrow. I mean, we continue streaming tomorrow. We don't have a break. 2 giveaways are scheduled for tomorrow. Thank you guys for joining. Have a lovely day. 1 minute to go here for our duck race. You should be. You're right there, I can see you. You have sunglasses and you have an orange hat. You got an orange hat. You're somewhere in the middle. I can see you now. You got an orange hat. Now you're going behind. Five seconds to go. There you go. Now number 12.
But we have Rahito winning Grandma winning today. Rahito, you are a $50,000 Ticktick Trader account straight to funded winner. Congratulations. Congratulations, beautiful guys. What a lovely day on trading. Winners, reach out to me on Discord, direct message me, private message me on Discord. Boom. Celebration time. Look at the Nasdaq. It's gone. Nasdaq is gone. It's funded. All the accounts we share, it is fun. Thank you so much, guys. Wish you an amazing day. Looking forward to it. Have a great time. Take care in this markets. Look at that, what's happening after the New York session started. It's madness. Have a lovely day, guys.